Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, not in today's newspaper now, and also not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, November the 13th. No, in the Saturday edition, we have no additional. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday, October the 28th. Yes, we have two puzzles left here. A tectonic one and a binary one. But first, boys and girls, we will solve this baby. And this will be a number 368 3. Yeah. 3683. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Then between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. I think we need to compare here. Double one. Oh, 1, 1. Yes, this column and the second column. 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch those two big digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, it's a quick one to solve, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with a 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.